Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 414, a studio on the 4th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll see is your large hall closet. Next to the closet is your kitchen with an electric oven and range, a microwave, and a refrigerator, as well as plenty of cupboards. Heading on into the living area, you'll find 5 pieces of furniture: a full-size bed, a dresser, a desk and chair, and a bookcase, as well as your second large closet. This apartment faces east. You get lots of nice morning light. Every unit is air conditioned and has a heating element. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. Nice bathroom with a vanity and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 414. Call us today for availability.